Hi guys, welcome to a 5-minute yoga morning routine. Here we're going to do a 5-minute flow just to get your body moving and that blood flowing. We're going to start with ankle rotations. We'll go ahead and be sitting on our mats and we'll rotate our one ankle counterclockwise and then the other ankle counterclockwise. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, welcome to this channel. We're here for you to help you get fit in every area of your life. My name is Joy and I'll be happy to share this yoga routine with you. If you're following along with me, from here we're going to go into stretching all the way down to our ankles. If that's the farthest you can reach, that is all right. Just work from here. We're going to do our best to touch our toes to get the full stretch on our legs. I want you to breathe in as you elevate your arms in the air, and then exhale as you come back down to your toes. You want to get that breath steady, the inhalations and exhalations. Alright, I want you to roll your shoulders back a little bit here with me. Now we're just going to do a stretch here with our upper bodies and our lats. We're going to be sitting in Sukhasana. Then we're going to lean over to our right side, stretch our left arm out. Then we're going to lean over to our left side and stretch our right arm out. Breathing as we are doing these stretches and movements. Great. Then we're going to do a twist. We're going to just twist to our right side and turn all the way to where we can look behind us, and then twist to our left side as we're sitting in Savasana and look completely behind us, exhaling as we're twisting, inhaling as we come back to the middle. From here we're going to a cat-cow. Inhale as we do our cow and exhale as we do our cat pose. Inhale, exhale. Very good. Some small movement for the morning to get your body ready to go and active. We're going to step into downward facing dog. We're going to go ahead and pedal our feet out. This is much easier if you're a beginner or you can't quite do a full downward facing dog stretch. Pedaling your feet is awesome. And if you can, you're welcome to join me on a full downward facing dog with both heels in the ground. Now we're going to take our left knee, put it in a kneeling position like a lunge, and that right knee is just going to be touching the mat. We're going to do a half warrior pose there, and then with the opposite leg we're going to do the same exact position. Go into downward dog, and then we're going to take that right knee. We're going to do a lunge, put that right knee in front of us, put the opposite knee flat on the mat, and we're going to go into a half warrior pose with inhalations and exhalations with every movement. Now into high plank. From high plank, we're going to breathe and come into chataranga. From chaturanga, we're going to come into upward facing dog. Inhale here. And come into child's pose with your exhale. Gently come up into a kneeling seated position. Want to take some deep breaths here. Come into a seated position. And here, you guys, we just want to take some deep breaths from our core to set our intentions for our day, to focus our mind on our goals we have ahead. Just breathing in and out. And being grateful, showing gratitude for the completion of those goals and the work being done. Shine some light in every avenue you can forward from here on out. It's been a pleasure with you here on my channel during this video. Peace and blessings. Namaste. Hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.